Good afternoon, everyone. The final day is here.
Yes.
Right, where we will select our top 3. And today we have our top 5 participants here. Based on the feedback that the judges gave them yesterday, they went back into the studio to rework whatever it is that they gave them. And today, they have their jingles ready for the judges to listen, and then we select our top 3. We have our MD CEO in the building. Wow. That's Mr.
Thank you for the time. I appreciate you. Thank you, my brother. Very nice. Madam, how are you? Guys, well done. I know that for you guys to have gotten this far, you must have put in your best. Many were called, few were chosen. So you're all winners already.
Yeah.
Right? You understand? You're all winners. Any of you, you'll be one person, right? But you're all winners already.
What you see is keen competition. Like you guys deserve to be among the top 5. Like everybody we've listened to so far. Like it's yesterday I thought the marks were close. Today, I think they're even closer.
And remember, are we good?
Yes, we are.
For the announcements.
Yes.
The announcements of the top 3. Drum roll. Fashoro, Taye, put your hands together. Karim, Tomiwa. Onye Alisigwe. That is our top 3. Congratulations, guys. I am mighty proud of y'all. Please put your hands together. Put your hands together. Amazing stuff. You guys did amazingly well.